So from here I'll go to the Kuripallam botanical garden, I think. Not sure what it is, but setting the directions there and getting started. Let's go. Guys, I'm finally here, but the road seems to be under construction right there. It's another 1 minute's drive from this place, 200 meters, but there is a lot of construction going on in that stretch right there, so the jeep doesn't go. So I parked it here and I'll walk it up there. Let me see if there's somebody there to take us through the place. Well, this is the construction that's stopping us. It doesn't really matter for a Rubicon, it can drive through this, but this car is stopped and I parked it right there, but let's come back for it. Let me go check quickly at the location if there's somebody there and if I can go inside and see. If that is not possible, then we can drive off from here, but if that is possible, then we'll need to make alternate arrangements for parking, because the people there, the construction people there, told me that they have to take the road roller along that road. There's not enough place if I park the car there. Let me see. There is an expert who can take us through the plans and like if I can record all of them, at least, even if not remember all of them, then that would be nice. That would be the ideal situation for us, where we learn the names of Malayalam names of these herbs, their scientific names, and you can look up their Sanskrit names later on, even if this place doesn't know it. Okay, I'm here, I can see it. Looks more like a nursery than a garden. There are multiple floors to it. Let me go and see. It's a museum, it says. Malayali Bonsai Museum. I don't see name plates anywhere for any of these plants. Here, there is a reception desk. Okay, this is what we have here. Cacti house, bamboos arcade, palm garden, grass garden for floriculture. Fungicides and pesticides. ചേട്ടാ ഇവിടെ എൻട്രൻസ് എവിടെ? ഓ, எப்போ வருவாங்க? 1 hour ஆகுமா? Okay, people went out for lunch, the person here. The funniest thing just happened. I was struggling to get in. There was this gardener who was stopping me, and I was trying to talk to him in Tamil. I was trying to talk to him in Malayalam. Nothing worked. He was like, he was struggling to convey something to me. I was trying to say something, at least I'll figure it out in Malayalam. And then I called up that Joshi. He knows only Malayalam. Joshy Joshi or Joshi. But even he said he's coming in a while. He's somewhere inside. And then I asked this gardener for his name, and he says Kamlesh. And then I talked to him, "Arey Kamlesh bhai, aap Hindi jante hain kya?" And then he smiles, a big smile, and then he says, "Acha, acha." He explains the whole thing. So the situation is, we can roam all this entire place. It's a huge nursery. It's not a garden as such. There is not much in terms of learning here. There are a lot of plants. If they don't have name tags or scientific names or benefits or usages or any data of that sort, but we can freely roam around now. Now that we've talked to him amply in Hindi, he has let us inside. Kamlesh ji has let us inside, and here are all the plants, but all of these look like crotons and avocado garden round variety. So all avocado plants. Yeah, this is a more of a commercial establishment rather than a educational one, but it does look quite extensive, and that is why has such good ratings on Google Maps. But this is not exactly the kind of place that I was looking for, which is more of an educational exploration of different kinds of plants and herbs around Kerala. This is not it. This is definitely not it. We have different kinds of flowering plants and roses, and this is called as some kind of a tulip. More roses here, different kinds of roses. Oh, they have names here. But none of these seem like native Kerala plants. Camedoria elegans. Okay, this kind of font I can't figure out, guys. This is too much for me to read. Triangle Farm. Okay. Sampan Farm. See, not exactly a botanical garden, but more of a nursery where you can buy plants. Still, I'll just walk around, look around, and then head back. Head back where? I'm not sure. Head forward to probably Kovalam first, and then to Varkala. We have a Thar, is it? Yeah, is it Thar? Going around there. More roses, huge row of roses everywhere. And the 20 rupees ticket was for bonsai plants, which are all arranged over that line there. But yeah, not of any interest for us. All right, let's head back. So guys, I was driving towards Kovalam and I saw this board. Oh, it's flipped. It says Kirti Biopark Botanical Nursery, and I was wondering, and they seem to have a social media presence, so I was wondering if there be anybody here who will help us with the know-how about plants. Namaskaram Chechi. Chechi, in the nursery, Ningal Dano. Nursery Chechi, that I know. Yours, I don't know. Cheta, Namaskaram. Nursery, Ningal Dano. Well, this is what interests me, but I wish there's something more to learn about these plants. Somebody is coming, they said, but not sure if they would be able to help. Oh wow, look at this. Some newest form of hibiscus that I've never seen before. Looks like a hibiscus. Cheta, Mandara chediyano? Mandaram? Chembarati. In the variety I never seen before. എപ്പോഴും കാണുന്നില്ല. ഇത് വേറെ മാതിരി இந்த மாதிரி இது ரொம்ப வெரைட்டி. ഇത് പേരെന്താ? ചെമ്പരത്തി എന്ന് തന്നെ എല്ലാത്തിനും തൂക്കണം ചെമ്പരത്തി എന്ന് പറയും. You can you tell me Chechi any about the plants around? You don't know? Okay. Are there any medicinal herbs around? എവിടെ ഉണ്ട്? Oh wow, this is also quite big. There's more inside. So many plants. Tulasi, that I know. Something different, something. Karingachi. Karungachi. Ida. Oh. This Vinayak Chavti ki vepangilla, one of the 21 leaves of Vinayak Chavti. Something that grows in Kerala but not anywhere else, something very specific. Ade enda Chechi. Idella medicine nalla keevar nedi. Oh, this is very new. Idu enda Chechi? This keevar nedi. In Malayalam. In what is keevar nedi? Is it like gooseberry, small, gooseberry, like amla, nelli? Small gooseberry. Keevar nedi. Oh, okay. This is a fruit. I thought this is a part of the leaf. Oh wow. Keevar nelliya. Okay. What use, Chechi? What benefit? Oh, okay. hair growth.
Kidney stone.
Okay.
Kidney stone.
Interesting.
Urinary infection.
Mm-hmm. Anything else that you know like this? That was interesting, very interesting. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾಮೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪೂಚೆಡಿದಾನ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಓಕೆ പേര്
Smell is pesticide.
Oh.
Pesticide.
Oh,
We will
very interesting smell.
use in small babies.
Okay, for immunity.
Not immunity. Mosquito.
Oh, okay.
Hand.
Insect repellent.
Oh.
Yeah, it has a very pungent smell. ಇದು ಪೇರೆಂದ ചേച്ചി?
Sadapu.
Sadapu. Nice.
Karinuchi for using arthritis medicine.
That can you show?
Arthritis.
Oh yeah, this Vishnu Kranta. What is it called in Malayalam? Karunuchi. Yeah, this is one of those 21 leaves for Vinayak Chavati. Not Vishnu Kranta, this has something else. I'll put the name of this on screen. I collected this for Vinayak Chavati, then I forgot the name. Lot of tulasi. That is Krishna tulasi, no? That is. This is they call this plant something. Korikonda something they call in Tamil. In Malayalam, what is it called? Okay. Yeah, the big bunches. Yes. Yeah. Oh wow. This is also same flower.
Yes.
In Malayalam, what is this called, Chechi? Oh, that Koripu only. So thick this is. It almost looks artificial, but natural this is. Thank you. This, Chechi, you know the name of this?
Mickey Mouse.
Very soft.
They have very common varieties. Different color.
This is also Mickey Mouse,
Yes.
but red Mickey Mouse. Okay. Oh yeah. So, in Malayalam, there is no name for this. Mickey Mouse only. Yeah, lots of plants there. Oh, this one?
Mailanji.
This
Cake tail.
cake tail on.
Donkey tail.
Okay. This is only for decoration, no, not medicine.
I guess this variety.
Okay. Oh, this is something else. Yeah, new kind of hibiscus. Hibiscus is not called as Mandara, Chechi, in Malayalam. Chembarati.
My handy leaf. That big one.
Really?
Back side.
Where? Oh, there. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, that is very popular. Yeah, henna, mehendi leaves. Yeah. And that also that takes away this ushna from the body, no? Heat in the body it removes.
Brahmi. Small leaf.
Idu Brahmi ano? Brahmi is like wide leaf, no, Chechi? This also, okay. So this is also one kind of Brahmi. Okay.
Brahmi, searching Brahmi. The small leaves.
Oh, okay. Yeah, same.
Same Brahmi. 20 rupees.
Okay. One small flower, 20 rupees.
No, 20 rupees for small flower.
Oh. I saw these plants everywhere. In Neyyar also I saw this tree. In the Malayalam it has name? This one? No. Okay. This is very sweet, no?
തുളസി കർപ്പൂര തുളസി
Oh wow.
തുളസി
Looks like tulsi leaves.
കർപ്പൂര സ്മെല്ല് അല്ലേ കർപ്പൂര തുളസി
No smell, no Chechi.
സ്മെല്ല്
But the flowers are very nice. And this
പൂച്ച തുളസി
Pucha tulsi.
പൂച്ച മീൻസ് കാറ്റ് കാറ്റ് തുളസി
Oh.
that
Like a cat meesam, like whiskers. Yeah. I think this has very sweet honey inside it, but very little quantities of it. Idu malliya? No, this is lemon. No. Idu in the shade.
അത് മറ്റേ
Malliya. Some kind of malli, probably. Oh my god, this is so big. He said.
ഇതുണ്ട് രാമ തുളസി
Oh,
രാമ
so many kinds of tulsi. It has a specific smell. Oh wow,
രാമ തുളസി
such a strong smell for this, and such nice smell. Jama.
രാമ
Rama tulsi. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. Same. Huh.
ഇതെന്ത് തുളസി
So many kinds of tulsi, Chechi.
ഇത് വരുമ്പോൾ തുളസി ഇത് വേറെ സ്മെൽ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സ്മെൽ
Yeah, so nice. All different kinds of tulsi. The flowers are same, but there in that cat tulsi it was longer. Here it's short.
ഇത് മറ്റേ മെന്തോൾ
Menthol.
വിക്സ്
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, this is very different. Yeah, mint maybe cross with mint.
ദിസ് ഇസ് മെന്റ്
Yeah, this is proper pudina.
പുതിന
Yeah, probably this is a cross between tulsi and pudina.
മെന്തോൾ
Menthol, no?
മെന്തോൾ ഇറ്റ്സ് നെയിം
Yeah, it does smell. Correct. Very strong. And so many fragrances of tulsi. Wow, it's such a huge premises.
ഫേൺ വെറൈറ്റി
Yeah, fern, yeah.
12 varieties we have.
Okay. These are rose plants.
This is spider plant.
That one is spider plant, yeah.
Your name?
My name is Uday.
Uday.
Yes. Cactus, different kinds of cactus. Name is there. Okay.
These are the indoor plants.
Okay. If there is anything, any plant name you know in Malayalam, tell me. Chachi.
Malayalam name.
Something which is very unique to Kerala and
Kulichi. Its name Kulichi.
Kulichi.
Star ഇരുമ്പമ്പുടി അല്ലേ?
അത് മറ്റേത് അവിടെ നിൽക്കണം വലിയ ഇലയുള്ള വലിയ അത്.
ഓ അത് ഒരു അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡ് അല്ലേ? We will use in fish curry.
Oh, okay.
അച്ചാർ പിക്കിൾ
Is it a sour taste?
Puli taste.
Puli taste. Huh. Leaf only or something else?
This fruit.
Fruit.
Green color. അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ.
തല്ലിക്ക
Badam Tadlikawa.
അമ്പഴം അല്ലേ?
അമ്പഴം
അമ്പഴം.
Ambaram.
അമ്പഴം പിക്കിൾ.
Okay. This also fruit you use? Or?
ഫ്രൂട്ട്.
Okay. Ambaram.
Like this
Oh, okay.
small mango.
Okay.
That is Lakshmi Taru.
Oh,
Lakshmi Taru.
which one?
Cancer
Chachi?
medicine. This.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Where? This one?
That.
That small leaves.
Small. Oh.
The butterfly went there. This one.
Back side.
Behind that one. That one, Chichi.
ഒരാൾ വെള്ളം ഒഴിക്കുക.
So that, where is it? That right there is Lakshmi Taru.
വെള്ളം ഒഴിച്ചാൽ മതി ഇനിയെ. ചെടിക്ക് വെള്ളം. ഇപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡ് ഒന്ന് ഇപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ഇട്ടിട്ടേ. രണ്ട് സൈഡ് രണ്ടാളും വെള്ളം ഒഴിക്കുക.
This one. Chichi says this is this one. Lakshmi Taru this is, and used in cancer medication.
ഇവിടെ ഒരു പൈസ വരും.
Okay.
അരിനെല്ലി
Arnelli.
ഗൂസ്ബെറി.
Gooseberry. Oh, okay. It looks very different from the normal Nellika.
യെസ് യെസ്
ഈ ഹൗസ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എത്തും.
Nice.
ഇവിടുന്ന് തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. ഈ ചെടിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് വെള്ളം വേണം.
മൾബറി
Oh, I have never seen mulberry plant.
ഈ ഹൗസ് നിന്ന് ഇവരെ ഒഴിക്കട്ടെ. നിങ്ങൾ അപ്പുറത്തെ ഹൗസ് എടുത്തിട്ട് അവിടെ ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് സൈഡായിട്ട് ഒഴിക്കാം.
മൾബറി
Okay. The silkworm is this only, no? Any other usage, Chechi, for mulberry plant? This one, this big leaf. Very interesting texture.
ബിഗ് പ്ലാൻ ഇൻ ഫ്രണ്ട് സൈഡ്
Okay.
വിത്ത് ഫ്രൂട്ട്.
Mulberry also has fruits? Okay. Oh, it's called that. That's why it's called berry. Okay. Nice. In Malayalam, this has name? Mulberry only.
കണിക്കൊന്ന.
Sorry?
കണിക്കൊന്ന.
Kanikonna. Kanikonna. This also.
കേരളാസ് നാഷണൽ ഫ്ലവർ.
Really? State flower.
ഓ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഫ്ലവർ.
Kanikonna. Thank you. This is nice. Alright.
യെല്ലോ ഫ്ലവർ. ദിസ്.
Okay. Yes. Kanikonna. What is Kerala state animal, Chechi?
എലിഫന്റ്.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, of course.
ഇത് പേര.
And bird?
ഗോവ.
Kerala bird.
പീക്കോക്കല്ല. വേഴാമ്പൽ. അല്ല വേഴാമ്പല. വേഴാമ്പൽ. ഇത് പേര.
This
ഗോവ.
looks like guava, huh? Yeah.
ഇത് മറ്റേ ആത്തിയില്ലേ? ആത്തി. ഇതും എന്തെല്ലാം ക്യാൻസർ മെഡിസിൻ.
ക്യാൻസർ മെഡിസിൻ.
Okay. What is it called?
ആത്തി അല്ലേ?
ആത്തി
Athi.
ആത്തി. ആത്തി ലൈക്ക് ജാക്ക്.
Mullangi.
മുള്ളങ്കി അല്ല. മുള്ളങ്കി എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ
Mullangi radish, no?
ആ മുള്ളങ്കി അല്ല.
This also looks like some kind of a medicinal plant.
അതിന്റെ പേര.
സ്ട്രോബെറി
Strawberry.
ഈ വെറൈറ്റി ഓഫ് ഗോ
Oh, okay.
ആ ചെറിയൊരു പേര് വരുന്നത് അതല്ലേ
സ്പൈറൽ പേര് അത് സ്പ്രിങ്കിൾ പേര് അതവിടെ. ഇവരെ കൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് ജോലി ചെയ്യിക്കുന്നത്. അത് ചെറി 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 ഫ്രൂട്ട്.
Oh, wow.
ചെറി കേക്ക് മാം അല്ല
Yeah, yeah.
ചെറി ഫ്രൂട്ട്.
Like this it grows. It's a plant. I thought it was. Oh, there is a fruit. Nice.
ഇത്
1 second, Chichi.
Like this.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, it will ripe and become like that on plant only.
റെഡ് കളർ.
Okay. Beautiful. This is native to Kerala, or you brought this from somewhere else? You brought this from somewhere, or this grows here only?
our plants. Seed plant, seed.
Okay.
ലൂദിക്ക ലവ്ലിക്ക നല്ല മരം അവിടെ.
There is some insect here. Grasshopper. Okay. There's a grasshopper sitting there.
കീര variety. കീര.
Keera.
കീര.
This is for cooking.
പൊരിയല്.
Poriyal.
ഇത് പപ്പായ.
Oh, yeah, papaya. Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
വയനാണല്ലേ വയന ബേബി
ഇത് മറ്റേ
ബേബി
വയന ബേ ലീഫ്.
What? Bay leaf. Oh, this is used in this as spice. Yeah. Does it smell?
യെസ് ഗുഡ് സ്മെൽ.
Look a little bit. No, Chachi.
ഇതിന് സ്മെല്ലില്ല.
If I like make into like full.
ഇതല്ല, ഇത് വയനയില് ഈ ലീഫ് നമ്മൾ മറ്റേ ഇലയപ്പാക്കുന്നല്ലേ, ഇതെല്ലാം കറുവപ്പട്ട അതല്ല അല്ല മറ്റേ ബേ ലീഫ് ഇതല്ല. ഇത് ഇത്രയും വലിയ ലീഫല്ല, അത് സ്മോൾ ചെറിയ ലീഫ്. ഇത് ബ്രിഞ്ചാൽ പ്ലാന്റ്. ബ്രിഞ്ചാൽ
Yeah, this thorn. Thorns. Yeah. What, Chachi? Tara.
കാര.
Kara. No?
ഇത് ലൗലോലി. ഇങ്ങനെ
That big leaf.
that small yellow.
Yeah. What is it called?
ലൗലോലി.
Lavloli. What is it used for? Oh, okay. That fruit, huh?
അതവിടെ കായുണ്ടല്ലോ.
And this kara, Chachi, what is this?
Kara.
Huh?
അത് പിക്കിള്, കാര പിക്കിള്.
Okay.
So many varieties of our pickle.
Yes.
കാന്താരി ചില്ലി.
Oh, nice.
കാന്താരി വെരി സ്പൈസി.
Yeah, it looks very small, but I'm sure this is very, very
Green color.
spicy.
Green ഉണ്ട്. Green.
Oh, yeah. This only ripens and becomes like this.
Red color.
If I pinch, hand will burn. Yeah.
ഇത് passion fruit.
Okay.
Passion fruit for juice. മലയാളം
ബോഞ്ചിക്ക.
Bonjika. Nice.
yellow color juice.
Yes. This, Chechi, what is this? This, you know. This also has some kind of like small fruits. Some.
അവിടെ ചുവന്ന അവിടെ മുറിച്ചുമറിയല്ലേ എന്തോ ഫ്ലേവറുണ്ട്.
നമ്മളാണത് ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല. ഈ മഞ്ഞ പൈപ്പില്ലേ ഇന്നു തുടങ്ങിക്കോ. പുളിച്ചിട്ട
Sorry.
ഞാനത്
Oh.
കറിയില്.
Oh, interesting.
ഇന്നലെ ഞാനില്ല,
Are
ഇന്നലെ
there
വൈകുന്നേരം നല്ലോണം ഇത്തപ്പോരം നല്ലോണം ഒഴിച്ചേ.
Oh, I think I saw this somewhere. What is this, Chechi?
പുളിച്ചിക്ക.
Pulichika.
ഇനി അവിടെ
What?
ഇട്ടിട്ട്
use
This is also for pickle. So many types of pickle, as I said. Nice. Pulichika. It is growing everywhere.
Yes.
Directly on the trunk only. Like jackfruit, this is growing.
very watery.
Okay.
Take one and taste.
Can I eat it? This looks like this. Oh, nice. So good. This is delicious.
Lavloli.
Thank you. Wash.
Big plant.
This is also like this amla nellikai only.
Yes.
Yes.
A type of
Lovely this is. I'll eat later, Chechi.
they have ripe in very red color.
Yeah, okay. Then it will become sweet, or then also it's sour only.
So,
Yeah, I was wondering. I saw in AR also. I saw the green color. And how it does it become black? This sun dry it, drying it in the sun. Okay.
After that is reddish color.
Oh, does the leaf also have a smell?
Not leaf.
Oh yeah, leaf has some strong smell, Chichi. It does.
ഫ്രണ്ടിലുണ്ട് ചട്ടിയിൽ.
Nice. Oh, here there is this green
ഇത് ബുഷ് പെപ്പർ.
bush pepper.
പെപ്പർ ഫോർട്ട് മാക്സ്
കുരുമുളക്.
Kurumulaga. Green like this also using in cooking, or only after it becomes black only then we use? Like this also it is green also it's used. Okay. Washing this slowly little bit. No water. No water. Oh yeah, there are fruits hanging there. Yeah, star fruit. Correct. Yeah. In Malayalam it is pulichi.
പുളിച്ചി, ആനപ്പുളിച്ചി.
Anapulichi.
സ്വീറ്റ് ടേസ്റ്റ്.
Yes. Very famous, yeah, star fruit. Yeah. But I never saw the tree. Yeah. Oh wow, such a big fruit. It's okay. Don't pluck it. I'll not eat it right now. Nice. Oh, it's ripe already. Wow. So good. Does this have a Malayalam name?
Anapulichi.
Anapulichi is this only. Nice.
കൊടംപുളി.
Kodambuli. Like
യൂസ് ഫിഷ് കറി.
fish curry. All of these are mostly sour tasting fruits, and this also has little bit of sourness, no?
Yes.
Sweet and little sour.
They have two types.
Two types. Okay. In the evenings there must be so many mosquitoes.
Yes.
മറ്റേ കയ്യൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ മുടിക്കുന്ന കേശവർദ്ധനി. വേറെ മറ്റേ ഇല്ലേ സാറിന് നമ്മൾ മുടിക്കിടുന്ന കയ്യൊന്നി കയ്യൊന്നിയുണ്ട്, പിന്നെ കേശവർദ്ധനി.
Oh, these ones all Ayurvedic plants.
ആയുർവേദിക് പ്ലാന്റ്സ്.
Keshavardhini you say.
കേശവർദ്ധനി ഫോർ ഹെയർ ഗ്രോത്ത്.
Yeah.
പിന്നെ വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഫീലാമല്ലി. ഇത് ആഫ്രിക്കൻ മല്ലി.
Africa Malliya.
ഓ സ്മെൽ ഈസ് ലൈക്ക് കൊറിയാണ്ടർ.
Okay.
കൊത്തമല്ലി.
Kotimalli. Okay.
സ്മെൽ.
Where? Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, this does smell like coriander. Nice. Okay. I thought this lavloli is like gooseberry, but no, it's very different. Big seed inside. This is nice. Yeah, this we saw. Yeah. Such a big flower. This whole thing is just one flower.
സെലേഷ്യ.
Sorry?
സെലേഷ്യ അല്ലേ?
Celestia. English name?
കോഴിപ്പൂ.
Kodipu, yeah.
ഓ അതർ വെറൈറ്റീസ് ഹൈബിസ്കസ് ലൈറ്റ്.
Oh, yeah. So nice. Where is it? This one, Jit. Oh, yeah. What is this?
ഓ അതെന്തോന്ന് മുത്തള. അത് ഒരു ഹെർബൽ പ്ലാന്റ്.
Yeah, I saw this at a lot of places. Okay.
Not that inside root में
Oh, okay. Root we
like
use.
small potato like.
Okay. You were showing something else? I saw so many plants today. Thank you so much.
Lots of plants.
Yeah. There is one jasmine also. Nice. Beautiful smell. Single lone jasmine blossoming there. Oh, Mashitanda is a plant. It's okay. There is a dictionary also, Malayalam dictionary named Mashitanda. Why? What is the speciality? This.
When we write on board, we can.
Oh, erase with this. Oh, okay. This is it. Okay. Mashitanda. What does it mean, Mashitanda? Any meaning?
We will put
and
into
stem.
Tanda is stem.
put into ink.
Ink. Oh, mashi is ink. Oh, right.
Machine is ink.
Yeah. Mashitanda. So finally found Mashitanda. So I was using this dictionary a little bit. So but finally found the plant Mashitanda. This is the Mashitanda used to erase boards, apparently white blackboards and chalk. Plant this back. Does this also have medicinal properties, Chechi? Why is it growing? Why you have it in your
അത് വീട്
weed? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, that's why you plugged it. I planted it again. Okay. Sorry.
മഞ്ഞൾ ടർമറിക് പ്ലാന്റ്
Turmeric is common throughout. That is turmeric only, no? Yeah.
പൂവാങ്കുരുന്ത്
അത്
That is turmeric.
ഹെയർ ഗ്രോത്ത്
ഹെയർ ഗ്രോത്ത്
Hair
പൂവാങ്കുരുന്ത്
growth. Okay.
ലീഫ് യൂസ്
Oh yeah, this Bhringraj, no?
മലയാളത്തിൽ പൂവാങ്കുരുന്ത്
Puvangurundu. Yeah, I think this is Bhringraj. Yeah. This grows on the roadside also a lot. Yeah, very powerful hair growth product. Yes. This and hibiscus also very good for hair growth, they say.
അലോവേര
Oh, aloe vera is also very common. Yeah.
variegated aloe vera, not big one, small size.
Okay.
This is normal.
Yes.
This one,
Okay. This is looks different. Looks more plump, thicker, but smaller.
this much
Variegated.
grow, only this much grow.
Oh, it will not grow big.
So, like bush, like we can
Uh-huh.
grow in pot.
Okay.
Not this big
That
size
will
of
that will
common.
just grow, expand.
You are searching only herbal plants.
My interest is in just native plants which are used in health and like or cosmetic use. But something which is native to the land.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, that cactus.
Oh, cactus, that end fruit is that.
Yeah,
Fruit is
yeah. One single fruit, it will come red color.
Oh,
Yeah.
not that. Beetroot color.
Huh.
Like
Yeah, yeah.
pink, dark pink.
Okay.
Facial, we will use
This is not Malayalam tree, though.
No,
Not Kerala.
not to
മലേഷ്യൻ
Okay.
കറിവേപ്പ്.
Curry leaves, yeah, that is common throughout the country. Kadi patta, karvepaku. Chachi, not as many neem leaves, no? In Kerala, I did not see neem trees. Why? Vepa, I haven't seen much.
Not good.
Doesn't grow here.
Everywhere. Everywhere is there. Here not.
Okay.
Here not full of jackfruit.
Yeah. And banana plant.
Banana plant. That is fully tamarind plant.
Yeah, there. Yes. Cool. Even more than coconut. Coconut is also a lot, but and banana. Coconut, banana everywhere. Cool. Thank you so much, Chechi. Learned so much today. What is this? This insects? Oh, insects mating. Sorry guys to intrude on your privacy, but there are you guys. The camera is unable to catch you guys. Focus on this now. Such fragile creatures, not even able to be caught on screen. Okay, if I put a background without disturbing their nest, there they are. Anyways, two very, very, very feeble insects. Two of them mating. Okay, won't disturb you further. Go ahead.
Spiral pear. Pear, guava.
Oh, this is guava.
Oh, small size variety.
Okay, nice. What is it called? You said some name. Pear.
Spiral.
Spiral.
Springle pear.
Springle pear. Okay.
Leaf like springle.
Oh, okay.
ഇത് ചൊറിയുന്ന സാധനം. ചൊറിയുന്നെന്ന് പറയും.
ഇച്ചിങ്
Oh.
This
Oh, if you touch it, itch.
പ്ലാന്റ്
Oh, that is also medicinal. It has a name in it's Chorian. It's called. Yeah, I think this might be some kind of an ivy.
this is also medicine.
Oh, this is Karpuravalli. Oh my God, Karpuravalli. Yes.
പനിക്കൂർക്ക.
Pan- so many Karpuravalli. This is used in yoga sadhana also. This is very good for throat and nasal cavity. We can offer this to Devi. I'll just take. Chechi, I'll take one leaf of Karpuravalli. I'll take this. Where is it? take this one. Thank you plant for giving me one more Karpuravalli leaf. Such a nice leaf. This is not. What is this? Huh?
Biryani
Oh, this is that bay. That.
smell.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, like spices smell. Yeah. Yeah, correct. And right. They dry it and sell, no? Yeah.
Not to dry it.
Cut and sell. Oh, okay. Yeah, correct. I can smell it. I can smell that spice smell. Yeah.
Malayalam Remba. Biryani leaf, Remba leaf.
Remba leaf, this is called. Okay. Yeah, that
Smell
spice.
is too smell.
Yeah, very typical. To probably take that smell off of the meat, they use this. What is
Smell
this?
is for insect.
Insects.
Like that.
Oh, like the one you showed before in the beginning for babies. Yeah.
This is
Oh my God, yak.
not for babies.
Huh. For everybody, yak. This smells like some rubber tire. Yeah, very bad smell. Don't want. What is this called, Chechi, in Malayalam? Don't know. I have to smell Karpuravalli some more to get rid of that smell. Oh, Google Lens works for plants also? Okay. It says Kirai. I'm sure nobody will cook this and eat. Karpuravalli smells nice.
Like this.
Not sure. But don't touch it. This has flowers also. This is the most terrible smelling plant that I've ever smelled.
Chunda.
What is this?
Chunda.
Chunda. Oh, chundaka.
Yes.
Oh, one favorite dish for sambar in that. Very spicy. Chundaka is that one, like black color. They with is more spicy.
No.
Sweet. Just called sunda.
Chunda.
Chunda. Can I eat or not eaten? But yeah, looks little dangerous.
Vanilla.
This one,
Vanilla.
vanilla.
Yes.
Oh, that flavor. Oh, this is the vanilla flavor plant. This has that flowers, no, Chechi? Big one? No? Leaf only smell?
Not smell.
Sorry.
Essence after drying.
Oh, after drying. Yeah. There's some kind of a sap that is coming out of the plant. Oh, there's some kind of a gum that is coming out.
Essence will take for vanilla ice cream.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So many plants. What is this, Chechi? Do you know? This is water lily.
Water cabbage.
Water cabbage. It
Water
grows,
plants.
cabbage comes
Like
inside.
cabbage, like flower.
That leaf only they cook? Okay. Nice. Mutta? Muttapayal. Oh, that is the underground version.
Asola. Asola. That plant.
This one?
Asola.
Asola. What is this used for?
Fish will eat it.
Fish will eat on. Very, very interesting this is. You put like that only, it will spread.
Food bottles. Fish is there.
Oh, yes, yes.
Fish will eat that small.
Okay. So good. So nice. Yes. The uncle told.
Wings bean. Wings bean.
Wings bean.
Yeah,
Is
fried
this-
wings bean inside of bean?
Okay.
This variety.
Is it Malayalam, Kerala specific or
Kerala specific.
what is it called?
Chadura fire.
Chadura Payar.
means
Oh, like yeah,
rectangular
Chadurasrakar is correct. Chadura Payar. Cool. Thank you so much, Chechi.
mulberry fruit.
Mulberry fruit, huh? Oh, never saw. Wow.
It became black color.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, it does look like a berry, small berry.
Silk.
Yes, silkworms. Yeah. I know. In Kerala, there is silkworm culturing, sericulture is there. In Kerala, they don't do. They do silk also. You got my channel, Chechi. You found it. I'll put a video later. I'll put this up.
Oh, when will you put it?
In at least 1 or 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So yeah, these are all the videos that I make. So after coming to Kerala, this is Puvar Beach. I made one live stream, and
Oh, 55 minutes. 1 hour.
1 hour. Yeah, these days I'm making longer and longer videos. Initially, I made like small. This is Sanskrit. This is on Gayatri Mantra and learning different things. This is me only. I had longer
You have
beard.
this monetization, YouTube ads, AdSense
On it, I don't monetize through ads. I have something called memberships.
membership.
So here, you come here. Join is there, no? No, you don't do this. This will cost money. So if people can pay every month, they can pay.
Every month, 199.
199, 799
For what?
for lessons. I am Sanskrit teacher, no?
Oh, you are teaching Sanskrit.
Sanskrit, everything like language. There is Ayurveda, Jyotisha. There are different kinds of shastras, no? And Kerala school, Jyotisha is very famous. Ayurveda is also very famous. Ganita, Kerala school of Ganita. That is why I'm in Kerala. I started in Puvar and I'm going to until Kasargod. Don't know. I came in car. I live there and sometime I live. I went to this
How many students you have?
students. I don't have regular students. I only have online students. Initially, I used to teach classes. Now I'm doing online videos. Now students also online only. You have Facebook page? Yeah, I saw this board. I'll put the link and phone number. Which phone number should I put if somebody wants to contact? This one. This is called as Kirti Biopark Botanical Nursery. I went to first I went to Kulipallam, thinking that it's a nursery. I went there, no board, no person, nobody knows anything. It's all rose plants only and bonsai. I did not find very. This is what I want. I want more of herbs and these names. So you have face. What?
Small girl.
Oh, but what is the season, Chechi, for this? When do they come? Fruits? But now there are no fruits, no? There?
Small too.
Oh, this one. Nice. This can be eaten. This looks very raw. Oh, this looks like this is too raw. So this cannot be eaten. This needs to ripen. Where is it? Yeah. Small guava. Its leaves are also very different from those of a guava. Oh, there are so many of them. More of those fruits up there.
This is lemon plant. This is variety.
Okay.
Seedless. Without
Oh.
seed lemon.
Seedless lemon also is it?
That photo is seedless.
Okay. And what is this only? This seedless
This is apple jamba.
apple?
Jamba.
Jamba. Okay. This is apple jamba and this is seedless lemon. Never thought there would be seedless lemons.
photo is there.
Yeah. Okay.
This is miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit.
What? Why
Oh,
miracle?
അത് അവിടെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ. Big plant is there. Miracle fruit.
Fruit is also
After
there.
eat, you eat
Oh, you
lemon
eat
or
anything else?
anything
Oh, it
that
is sweet.
it.
Yeah. I heard of it.
Miracle. This is pink pera. Inside pinkish pink color.
Okay. Hi.
ഇത്
चाहिए
flower, apple jamba flower.
Oh, that apple jamba
that
flower.
flower.
It's just shedding like, yeah, it's just,
After
I just
that
touched and it is shedding. Oh my god.
After that is fruit will come.
Oh, after this fruit will come. It's been pollinated. So many insects busy at their thing. So many different kinds. This is Taiwan pink guava. Okay.
Miracle is big plant is there.
Okay. But not Kerala specific, no. Yeah. Cool. All right. Thank you so much, Chechi. This number you don't want to put? Oh, this number. Okay. Cool.
We have a website.
Yes, I saw.
Online purchase website.
Where somewhere I saw website.
That African money for
Yes, yeah. It smells.
chili.
It's
Kodamboli means very spicy. Very spicy.
Okay.
We buy the
Okay.
like that.
That is not.
That even that is more than that. More than Kandari. Which one here? That only looked dangerous. This. But it has a flower.
Yes, sir.
This will turn into a dangerous, deadly chili. No chilies on this yet, but let me see. Oh, there is one which dropped off. No, which is in the making. This is about to form into chili, no? This is
This is Kerala.
Kerala.
Udankolli. Sudden death. Like
Oh my god. Sorry, can you repeat it? Udankolli.
Udankolli.
Udankolli. Oh my.
Kolli means murder.
Murder, yeah. Udankolli.
Udankolli.
Wow. Nice.
Kandari
Yes.
is smaller. 100 times Kandari.
100 times Kandari. Okay.
പഴങ്കഞ്ഞി.
Thank you.
പഴങ്കഞ്ഞി. പഴങ്കഞ്ഞി. Why is we use the just that? What?
In pickle. No, uraga. Huh?
Small piece in fish curry.
Okay, small piece.
Buttermilk.
This is also red only or green?
Color.
Yeah.
Right.
Then it will turn into red. Udangolli. Wow, this is the most interesting of everything. I wish there were some chili at least right now to see. But yeah, it does not have any fruits right now.
This is smoking plant.
Smoking.
Our will smoke. This is smoking plant.
Why smoke?
Smoking
Sambrani.
not samran.
This is called a smoking plant apparently. Not sure why. Why?
Smoke is coming. That a
From the
flower-
plant? Oh, when if the
Not
flower,
that is-
oh, it bursts.
Oh,
Okay.
like but
Cigarette smoke.
That smell will come.
not smell. Smoke is
Smoke will
daily
come.
smoke.
Wow. Okay. Cool. Oh, and I forgot to give a time update. It's 3 p.m. now, guys. Exactly 3 p.m. 3:01. Even if I did not find what I was looking for at the Kudipallam Botanical Gardens, on the way to Kovalam, there was this beautiful place called Kirti Bio Park. It's a huge nursery which does not look that huge from the outside, but these two chechis, one was Rasna and the other was Kirti, I think, or I'll have to look up the video. But they helped me so much. They gave me all the names of all the plants, both native to Kerala and which have been imported. So it was an amazing experience learning all these flowers. There were so many of them. I tasted some fruits, ate some leaves, saw so many little insects, fishes. It was beautiful. So I'm happy now. The heart is fulfilled once again. So I'm heading towards Kovalam now, and from there I'll head to Varkala. via Tirunanthapuram. In what time frame? Not sure. So let's get started.